I was gonna say, just removing these two things. Wow, I've never seen that before. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Like your seat? That's how you get louder.
Yeah, sometimes.
Wow. So I do like YouTube. JacobViral, what's going on, man?
How's it going?
What's your name and what's in here?
That car, it's 6 XV318s, powered by 6 Cat 45s. They're snug.
What are the amps wired to on this?
They're 0.7, they see 0.7.
Really? You fit. That's a lot of cone you fit in this little. You did a good job, man. And I like your bracing on it. You know, really nice. Is this double or triple?
Single layer.
Single layer.
Single
Okay.
layer with single layer cage behind it.
Okay.
So it's inch and a half thick all the way around.
And you actually have two subs here.
Yep.
And this is amazing. You did a lot of fab work to make this fit. Wow. Nice work.
Say the least.
Have you done any SPL tests on it yet?
It can 65 when that door decides to hold itself together.
Yeah.
It's taken a lot of a beating.
Yes, sir. What's your electrical like?
3 Brand X 320s on one of his newer silver boxes.
Is the paint pretty fresh, or is that just white specks everywhere?
This is dust.
It's dust. Okay. Wow. Because I was noticing it flying everywhere.
I've been trying to clean it out.
What happened to this?
They're so heavy. I just had to cut them so I can fit.
Wow.
Just trying to increase airflow.
I was gonna say, just removing these two things. Wow. I've never seen that before. I thought I'm surprised it hasn't popped. Wow, that's different. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. I like it. Looks windy. Wow.
When you working hard, then your money start expanding. I got model bitches wanna make me like some candy, and them drugs come in handy. Last night savage bitch, but no I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a plan B. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy.
proven everything. Appreciate it. Thank you for the demo, man. Is there Anthony in the back open? I can go look at it?
Yeah, he wants to do it.
Really good job with the build.
Thank you.
What was your name?
Is that card?
Thanks, Zach.
Yeah, man. It's pretty good.
You have a good day.